is very straightforward, simple recipe, couldn't get any easier. We've got a tomato based sauce, check out the recipe for that via the link. So I'm just going to do a very simple tomato pasta with a little bit of parmesan. So you want your pan of water on, boiling hot, rapid boil, nice and deep. Salt the water. You must salt the water when you're cooking pasta. Don't worry about over salting it a lot, that's going to drain away when you drain away the water anyway. And you want per person about 70-75 grams of pasta per person, or about the size of a man's ring finger for your pasta. So the pasta's just cooking away nicely now. I'll try that in a bit. As I say, cook to the packet instructions. I'll drain that off, and then basically I'll add my sauce to the pasta. Or is it pasta to sauce? I can never remember which way the Italians do it. But let's face it, we're in Barnsley, not Bologna, so it doesn't matter. It's all going to get mixed in together. Bit of parmesan on the top, some fresh basil leaves. Very simple, quick and easy recipe using that lovely tomato-based sauce. Beautiful. So I've just drained the pasta now. I'm just going to take a ladle of that lovely, silky, smooth tomato sauce. Don't need a lot. Give it a little mix around. And then that there is ready to serve. Ooh, come on. Get a load of that. And there you go, guys. A bowl, simple pasta, tomato sauce, bit of basil, bit of parmesan, a little bit of pepper, drizzle of olive oil. Very simple, quick lunch. Not bad at all, eh?